Daily Slow English.
Welcome to our Easy English channel. Today, we will learn shopping center vocabulary. I will speak very slowly. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the shopping story. Before we begin, I have a question. What does slow music make people do today? Listen carefully to find the answer. Please write your answer in the comments below. By writing your answer, you can improve your English. Okay, let's begin the story. Wow, we are here! This place is so big!
Yes. Welcome to the shopping center.
Some people call this a mall, right?
Yes. Shopping center and mall mean the same thing.
There are so many stores here. I want new clothes.
Me too. Let's go shopping together.
Look at this big entrance. We go in here.
Yes, the entrance is where you go inside.
Oh, the doors open by themselves.
Those are automatic doors. You do not push them. First, let's find a floor map.
Yeah. A floor map shows where all the stores are.
Here it is. Some people call this a directory.
A directory is like a big guide. If you need help, look for the information desk.
Yes, the information desk has staff who can help.
The clothing store is on the first floor.
And the shoe store is on the second floor.
We can use the elevator to go upstairs later.
Upstairs means the floor above us.
That is right. Let us review. Entrance is the place where you go inside a big building. Automatic doors open by themselves. You do not need to pull or push them. A directory or a floor map helps you find all the stores easily.
The clothing store is here on the left.
Allah! Let's go inside. I see a big sign. Look, there is a big sale today.
A sale means the prices are lower than usual.
A discount means things are cheaper than before.
Yes. Everything looks very cheap today. But wait, Emily. Always check the price tag first.
Oh, the price tag is the small paper on clothes.
Look at the original price before the sale.
Wow, the original price is very high.
Now look at the new sale price.
Oh, the new price is very cheap.
Sometimes it is tricky. Think carefully before you buy.
Yeah, that is a very good tip, Mateo. I really like this blue jacket.
The color is great. The price is fair too.
But this one looks too big for me.
Oh, you should try it on first.
Try it on means I wear it to see?
Yes.
Let's ask the store clerk for help.
Hello there. How can I help you today? Excuse me. Do you have this jacket in medium? Let me check for you. Yes, we have medium. Oh, and do you have this jacket in black? Yes, we do. Here is the black one in medium. That is perfect. That is perfect. Can I try this on right now? Of course. Of course. The fitting room is right over there. Thank you. I will go try it on now. Take your time. Tell me if you need help. I am back. It fits perfectly, yeah?
The size is just right. You look great.
I will take this one, please.
Great choice. Let's go to the checkout.
Did you hear the word sale? It means things are cheaper with a discount. The price tag is the small paper that shows how much the clothes cost. A fitting room is a small room where you try on the new clothes.
Hello. Are you ready to pay today, miss?
Yes. I will buy this black jacket, please. Your total is $35. Cash or card? I will pay with my credit card, please.
Thank you. Please insert your card right here.
Okay, I inserted my card. It is done.
Here is your receipt. Please keep it safe.
I will keep the paper receipt. Thank you.
And here is your shopping bag. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much. You too. Goodbye. I am getting hungry now. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry. Let's eat something.
Where should we eat today?
Let's go upstairs to the food court.
The food court has many different restaurants.
Yes, you can choose burgers, pizza, or anything.
Wow, the food court is so crowded.
It is the weekend, so many people are here.
I cannot find an empty seat anywhere.
But let me give you a helpful tip, Emily. Let's save a seat first.
Save a seat means we keep a table for us.
Yes, one person saves the table.
Wait, where is the restroom? I need to go.
The restroom far away is usually empty.
That is a very good tip to know. I will save the seat. I have my shopping bag.
Okay, I will go buy the food for us. Hello! Welcome! What would you like to order today? Oh my! I would like the chicken burger, please. Ah, good choice! Would you like to make it a combo? A combo? What comes in a combo? The combo comes with French fries and a drink. That sounds good. I want 2 chicken burger combos, please. Perfect. What drinks would you like today? 1 cola and 1 water, please. Your total is $15. Cash or card? I will pay with my credit card, please. Please tap your card right here, sir. Okay, it is done. Thank you. Here is your food on the tray. Be careful. The tray helps me carry food. Thank you. You are very welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Let us review. The checkout is the place where you pay for your items. A receipt is the paper they give you after you pay. A food court is a big area with many restaurants and tables to eat. A tray is flat. It helps you carry your hot food easily.
That chicken burger was so delicious.
Yes, it was really good. I am full now.
Let's walk to the exit and go home. Okay.
Okay. Oh, I really like this background music. It is nice and slow, very relaxing.
Whoa, shopping centers choose their music very carefully.
Really? Why is that, Mateo?
Slow music makes people walk very slowly. When people walk slowly, they stay in the mall longer.
And they buy more things. That is interesting. I can smell something sweet. Is that popcorn?
Yes. The sweet smell is there for a reason. The sweet smell makes people very hungry. Oh,
And when they are hungry, they buy food.
look at those big shopping carts over there.
Yes, they are very big and empty.
A big cart makes you want to put more things inside.
So you buy more. That is a smart trick.
Look near the register. They put small candies there.
People buy them while waiting to pay. Shopping centers are really smart.
Yes, they are. Did you learn a lot today?
Yes, I learned discount, price tag, and food court.
That is amazing. Let's come back again soon.
How was the story? Did you remember my question from the beginning? What does slow music make people do? The answer is slow music makes people walk slowly. Did you find the correct answer? Tell me below. Practicing your English output like this will help you improve. If you learned something new, please like this video today. Please subscribe to our channel for more easy English stories. Keep practicing and keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.
Daily Slow English.